here's Joel driving.
Drive to Alabama.
Rocky Road right here.
Joel, whoa!
Uphill. Joel is
He has
driving.
to have
Oh my God, can
stuff
you imagine?
behind him so it can prop him up.
Next time,
I'm driving.
bring pillow, Mom.
That's what Bagaporo is also having with me. A pillow at my back.
Joel, you drive better than Ariel.
No, don't tell it. He drives better than me.
Really?
Yeah.
Think so? But I never tried Ariel on this kind of road.
Yep, see? I like dirt road. So I'm an expert for this one, huh?
You're the man.
Lozzie's next.
You can tell somebody
no,
for this one.
No.
Come on, Lozzie, you can do it.
Come on. I
You
don't
know,
even know.
just kidding, just kidding.
She's afraid of this one.
She's afraid in the dark.
Yeah. Now I can buy a truck.
That's so funny.
Joel, you can buy a truck too.
Yeah.
Joel,
What? That's the
I'll
fun
put-
part of it. See, I'm an adventurous type of guy. I try everything.
Joel, it's your first time to drive a dirt road like this.
Yeah, and then a big truck.
And a big truck too.
So big as Bagaporo. Much bigger, huh?
But this one is better than Bagaporo, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, Joel.
Why?
You know how to drive, Mom.
drive to fly.
That's why
Mom,
I'm laughing.
you let him drive.
Mm-hmm.
And he can do it, huh?
You're just
Mom,
scared.
thank you for trusting him.
That's what Hurley did to me too. He trusted this car.
Okay, now Joel drive.
Now you know I can drive.
Yeah,
See?
dirt road like this.
No need to worry when we go to California. When to rent a car. Where do we go? Left or right?
Left.
Left? Here?
Mm-hmm. Well, it just goes around.
Okay.
Dang, you need to drive for a permit. Joel,
What?
Joel, you need a permit.
I have my license though.
Ah!
Lozzie won't drive this kind of road.
Yeah.
I can't.
Lozzie's so small. She's.
I can't even on the highway.
You can.
Yeah, it's more fun
It's
in the
more fun
highway.
in the highway. You
What
can pass
happened
the
to me
people.
when I'm doing the steering, huh?
Yes.
Jesus
Yeah, I
Christ.
know.
I know, you need a pillow.
No, for the steering wheel. She keeps on turning it.
Yes, it's turning. Joel, don't make fun of Lozzie.
No, I'm not. I'm just telling the
Is that the
truth.
truth?
It's the truth. Lozzie, if you grow up more, you can drive. You can. You can do it better than Joel.
No.
Why? Are you scared? You
Yeah.
never drive before?
No.
Mr. Porker can drive?
Who?
Tiger Porker?
No, she's afraid of this kind of road too.
Yeah, even Bagaporo.
Where she live, Ganado?
Yeah, in the high school.
You mean that with the blue truck?
No, the
No,
one.
with the white truck. Are you still taking videos?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
goodness, Joel.
Well, that's
4
behind-
minutes. See how long? How
Oh my
many
goodness.
minutes you take to get on the main road?
You can't go faster than me, bro.
Whoa.
I'll try to slow down. See? Are you enjoying the ride?
No.
Well, we really have fun today.
Yep.
Joel?
What?
I'm joining the ride.
Yep, thanks.
I don't know about Lozzie.
Are you enjoying the ride, Lozzie?
Smile.
I'm really scared, Mom.
She's scared of me. I'm not scared.
Let my mom drive.
Slow down.
Slow down, slow down.
There.
Dear. If you get stuck, it's not our fault. You driving.
We're not stuck though.
Joanna, put your petrol word in here.
That's a muddy road, Mom. Joel don't get stuck, huh?
It's dry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Not really.
It's a joyride.
Laugh funny. There's a Mars here.
Yeah, some work.
I can't wait to go camping.
We did come today.
No, I'm talking about camping.
Oh, camping?
I
Where?
can't wait. Remember my mom said you can go camping here?
Yeah.
Can't wait. I can't wait to see this. At night you should bring your guitar.
Yes.
I saw in the video you were playing the guitar with him. Someone open the gate.
Where do we go now?
Right.
Right.
Oh,
Sorry.
Stop right there.
stop right there, Joanna.
Stop right here?
Yeah, stop.
Okay.
Let's see.
My